Hi everyone, my name is Yoona. I am a student in New Zealand. Today I want to share my model with everyone. Let's talk about a special tool called balance scale. A balance scale is a device used for a weighing object. A balance scale is like a seesaw you play in the playground. This long stick is called the beam. And it's like a seesaw you play in the playground. It goes up and down. A balance scale has two pans. They are like little baskets where you can put things. This point in the middle is called the middle point. This long stick sits on this point just like a happy seesaw. You can put a toy in one pan and blocks on the other. If the toy and blocks weigh the same, this long stick will be straight and balanced, just like a happy seesaw. So, a balance scale helps us find out which things weigh the same or which things are heavier or lighter. Balance scales are often used in laboratories, kitchens, and classrooms to measure weights accurately. Thanks for listening to my presentation.